Welcome to my kitchen. I'm back again with simple recipe which is very quick to make. It's a semolina wada, Suji wada. For that we'll need 1 cup of semolina, finely chopped onions and green chilies, now we will add curd into it. We are not using any water. Coriander leaves, finely chopped ginger, and a little salt. Now mix it very well. After mixing it, keep it aside for 15 minutes. Heat your pan. Non-stick pan is recommended to fry Suji vada. You can also fry it in a normal pan, but frying in a normal pan needs a lot of patience. You cannot turn your vada unless it's not cooked properly. So give it a shape, ring-like shape. And do not worry if your batter is a little sticky or anything like that. Do not worry, because it's the simplest way of making Suji vada. It's very delicious and quick to make. See, it's not coming out, but once it's cooked from one side, it will come out very easily. Yes. It's a good option to try when you have a very less time or you don't want to work hard. It's very easy and quick to make. So our Suji vada is ready. Try out my recipe and give me a feedback.